So the first derivative is, we're trying to find that. It's a sum, so d by dt of tangent of t to the power of 7. Same thing, right? That 7 really means whole to the power of 7. Plus d by dt of cotangent of t whole to the power of 5. This 5 really means whole to the power of 5. So initially this looks like d by dt of t to the 7th power, which is 7t to the 6th power. So that's the outer function. So it's 7 tangent of t to the power of 6. But remember, that's not a t, it's a function of t. So we go d by dt of tangent of t. We do the exact same thing here. It's 5 cotangent of t to the power of 4 d by dt of the inner function cotangent of t. So this is equal to 7 tangent of t to the power of 6. Same thing. That can be written here. d by dt of tangent of t is secant squared of t plus 5 cotangent to the power of 4 t. d by dt of cotangent of t is negative. Put the parentheses so you don't confuse this for subtraction. It's really times negative cosecant squared of t. So this is 7 tangent to the 6th power of t secant squared of t minus 5. So that's where the minus comes from, because it's multiplication. Cotangent to the 4th power of t, 4th power of t cosecant squared of t, and that ends the differentiation.